Introducing the 2013 Holden Commodore SV6 Edition. The Commodore is a rear-wheel drive sedan with 5 seats, powered by a 3.6-litre naturally aspirated engine with a 6-speed sports automation transmission. Some of the convenience and safety features are dual front airbag package, anti-lock braking, auto climate control with dual temp zones, alarm system, a remote anti-theft, 17-inch alloy wheels, brake assist, cruise control, CD with 6 CD stacker, central locking remote control, cloth trim, electronic brake force distribution, electronic stability program, fog lights front, head airbags, engine immobilizer, leather steering wheel, mobile phone connectivity, parking distance control rear, power front seat driver, power mirrors, power steering, power windows, radio CD with 7 speakers, seatbelts pre-tensioners front seats, side front airbags, trip computer, traction control system, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel tilt and telescopic, 19-inch alloy wheels, body kit, leather accented upholstery, multifunction steering wheel, rear spoiler, reversing camera, sport suspension. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found our video informative. We offer same-day finance approval and extended warranty options. We also offer contactless purchasing. We provide Australia-wide delivery too. If you have any inquiry, please do give us a call, and one of our representatives will be able to answer any of your queries. We look forward to hear from you soon.